What are the boundaries in terms of what is taboo and what is not taboo? And I think most of your listeners would probably be most familiar with the debate around Mel Brooks's The Producers, which,
Hmm.
at the time that it came out, 1967, 68, I think that he makes it in 67, it comes out in 68. Here we are, just about 20 years after the war, and I think that the film itself was quite shocking to a lot of audiences, but also
Yeah.
Brooks was trying to think about sort of what are the boundaries of sort of appropriate Holocaust representation, and he does it, I think, quite brilliantly in the film to sort of probe and explore those boundaries um, by asking the question, right? Can one make a musical comedy called Springtime for Hitler
Hmm.
about Nazis? And one of
With
the
with sorry, with song and dance and everything.